Hi guys, welcome back to another video today. We are going to be drawing Potato Squeak from the Brawl Stars game. Grab your paper and some markers and let's get started. We're going to start with like a potato shaped circle thingy mabobbergy. Good job, that looks great. Okay, now we're going to draw some like straps on its belly. Good job. Okay, now we're going to draw a button on its front or belly or whatever. So draw a circle with the belly. Good job. Now draw an X in the center of it. Okay, now we're gonna draw some arms. And some of the one of the arms is coming out of its head. Okay, now there's another arm coming out down here. We're going to draw an eye right by its arm. Now another eye down by the side belly. Now we're gonna draw a mouth. Has some pins on his belt. It's like a cloud. And then he has a primo. There's another person in the game. Then like a sun. Then a water drop. He has a random hat on the side of his belly. He has some circles on his body. Okay, last part is his. Okay, last part is his legs. He's got little stubby legs. We are going to color the Potato Squeak, and if we are going too fast, you guys can pause the video. Let's get started. Okay, this is how all of our pictures turned out, and they turned out pretty good.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.